Hi, I'm Miracle Mike, Handicap Life. I'm on South Trails,
Yosemite Lakes. I started this site that I called Handicap Life as a way to show others that if you set your mind and determination to live a good life, despite the challenges of having disabilities, I hope that I can inspire others to live their best life too.
Get it, Jack! Good boy.
Hi, I'm Miracle Jack. Hi, Jack. Hi. You little tripod? Yeah, you little tripod? Huh? What? On Amazon.
Safety goggles.
Oh yeah.
You bought extra ammo?
Yeah.
Nice. I only got these two. Ammo.
Yeah, what's up though? That's 1, 2.
Ammo holder.
That's cool.
How cool is that? Our ammo is soaking right now.
Isn't it nice?
Yeah, it's not bad. No, you got me. See?
Well, that's not that bad.
Oh my god, yeah, you're right.
It's not that bad though.
They're right.
These are great. If you get, Callie, please be quiet. If you get a chance to get one of these, get one of these. It's not
Oh,
bad.
I like it, I like it. Oh man, look at this. Wow, look at
Oh, don't shoot.
it.
Mike, Mike.
I like it.
Yeah, if you really get a chance, you should order these. These are great.
Yeah.
It's not too
Hey
bad.
man,
Ouch.
nice tween.
Do you have any beanie?
Yeah. Give me in the back.
Alright, pizza taco. Let's go. Try it out. Mess.
It's a good mess.
Michael, did you make eggs?
Yeah, oh, that's why.
I'm sorry, man. I was looking at your tacos. I was like, that doesn't look like breakfast tacos, Mike. What was it last time you forgot? You forgot the meat, right?
Alright, now, thank you.
Oh, you're welcome, Michael. Sorry. I just didn't want you to start eating it and then be like, ah!
Thank you though, I like. Yeah.
Maybe some
No.
of that, like,
Oh, look, this is a good little burnt. You don't like
No,
that?
that's good. That's that good.
That's that good burnt, Mike.
Yeah,
You don't.
that's that cheese.
You don't.
California newt, one of the most poisonous creatures alive.
Whoa. Oh man. Oh no.
Rip the bear.
My garden, organic.
It's good.
No.
Real good. You threw the corn, Mike?
Well,
Wow. Nice recharge. Yosemite River, cold water. Woo!
yeah.
Here we go.
Yosemite golf. Let's go.
Yeah.
First try.
Oh. Tap it in. Tap. Oh,
Yeah.
good job, Sammy. Come on, Michael. Yeah.
Ah.
Oh.
Oh. Oh man.
Shane won. good times. Alright then, see you later. Bye.